All right, so this one is for the people who are willing to invest a little bit of money to be able to get thousands of new followers to their AI model without just waiting around to go viral. Instagram mass DMs are highly effective and a 100% recommended process as long as you use a good provider to gain a targeted audience of people to convert to your Fan View page. So what are mass DMs? Well, a mass DM is essentially something that will allow you to send thousands of DMs to a targeted audience of people, meaning that they're more effective than ads, than promos, than anything like this, and most likely more cost effective, which is absolutely brilliant news. So why do Instagram mass DMs work for AI models? Well, number one is that DMs have a very high open rate. So if you compare that to an Instagram ad, for example, where people can just scroll past, this is actually going to their inbox. And remember our target audience, that's number two. Target audience, you can literally target whoever you like by targeting someone else's followers. Let's just say you have a similar target audience to Skyberry or Sophie Rain. You can scrape their followers, send a DM to their followers. It's absolutely brilliant. And what this means is that we're not only just targeting people into their DMs where they're going to open it, we're targeting the lonely guys who follow these OnlyFans models. These guys have never ever had a DM in their life from a female. When they get one, they will be extremely excited. They will absolutely jizz their pants and they will go straight to whatever the fuck you're sending them and then where you send them to after they're on your Instagram page. Absolutely brilliant method. And of course, there's no real ad restrictions. So if you're running an Instagram ad, what's going to happen is a human will review your advert. They're going to review your funnel. They're going to review where it's going to. So most likely not going to get approved as an AI model anyway. But with a DM, it's run by a bot. It's run, by people who don't give a fuck. So what's going to happen is there's no process to actually sending that DM. Yes, if you send something crude, it can go to the hidden messages folder, but I'm sure whoever is providing your mass DM will be able to advise you on exactly that. So how do you get a mass DM on Instagram? Of course, you can learn it by yourself. That's absolutely fine. However, this is extremely hard and expensive to learn and deliver. So you're going to need tens of thousands of Instagram accounts. You're going to need education on how to actually set this up, and you're going to go through some serious training on some complex softwares. Now, this is going to be more expensive, bear in mind, than if you run it as a service. Just bear that in mind. It's not one of those ones like if you were to outsource your AI design, it's going to be more expensive than doing it yourself. This is going to be more expensive to do it yourself. So you're going to want to outsource it before you go into any sort of, do-it-yourself sort of program. Also beware of scams. Because of the hype around mass DMs at the moment and how uncommon they actually are to be legit, there's a lot of scams. One common scam is that people will sell you 100K DMs on your first DM. They will actually run about 200K DMs for you. That sounds brilliant, right? It sounds absolutely great. But then in return, what you're going to get is in the future, you're going to come back and they're going to run about 50K if you order another 100K. Because they know that you're going to recur, you're going to come back because you got those high results the first time. They know you're going to come back as a customer. So beware of guys that do that. Another scam is just flat out a scam, right? People say they can do mass DM. They can't. They'll just take your money and run. Very common. Very simple to explain as well. But if you are looking for a legitimate provider, I'm going to leave who I use in the description. Social Link. It is a new software, is a new Telegram channel. They provide marketing services specifically for OF and AI models, and I 100% recommend them to students, to anyone who asks, and also I use them myself as well. So they're absolutely brilliant and get you great results. So the last kind of step, you know who to target, you know exactly how mass DM works, but you're going to need to write an engaging message when it comes to your mass DM. Are they just going to open a message that is linking them an account? They may open it, but are they going to convert? Probably not. You're going to need something engaging to actually hook them into the account and make them want to follow you and make them want to convert to your Fan View page. Keep it short, keep it personal, include any links. You can even share reels, you can share profiles, you can share posts, any of that kind of stuff as a mass DM into people's inboxes. So if you have a very high converting reel, which will allow you to get people from your Instagram page to your Fan View page, that's a good one to run as a mass DM because you can just send them to 1 million of your target audience, and that'll be absolutely fine. I think one thing to bear in mind is the actual return on investment is going to be crazy. So let's just say you spend $500 on 250K mass DMs. Sounds like a lot, but you are reaching 250,000 people who are your target audience, and you're reaching their direct message inbox. Again, they're lonely guys, they've never received a message before. So you are then reaching 250,000 people instantly in the click of a button via a mass DM. What this means is, let's just say 10% of people open it. That would be 2,500 people even open the message. Let's just then say 10% of those people, they convert. That's 250 of those who are going to follow you. And let's just say 10% of those are going to convert to your fan view page. All you would need from those 25 customers that convert to your fan view page is one big spender, or they all spend about $20. This is very, very doable, right? You can imagine the return on investment on a mass DM. It is very, very high. I'm yet to run one that fails to actually perform unless I've chosen some, scam service, as I mentioned before. So in conclusion, mass DMs work. They are the new kid on the block. They're the new hype marketing method, and I know a great provider that can give you that. Also, if you are new to the AI model game, if you want to learn exactly how to create AI models, how to then market them, and how to then make money with them on FanView, go to the description. I have a $47 course which will teach you exactly that, and that also comes with a community full of people to network with, make friends, all that kind of good stuff. See you in the next one.